It will inevitably be disappointing for new Etsy sellers to come across different types of fees once they have opened their online shops. So, it is of vital importance to them to know of sorts of fees applied on Etsy beforehand. Now, introducing the brand new Etsy Fee Calculator is one of the best ways to understand the fees and lower them. Go ahead to discover free fees, profits, and pricing calculators. To use EtsyHunt Fee Calculator, you can visit EtsyHunt and click on the top menu choice Etsy Fee Calculator. On the left part of the Etsy Fee Calculator webpage, you will see the parameters that sellers enter to see the results regarding fees add profit. It consists of 4 categories. Currencies. You can convert the currency unit configured in your store to the currency unit when your bank's settled. Revenue. Enter your shipping price, shipping charge, and discount. Cost. It includes parameters that determine your total order cost. Etsy Offsite Ad Fee. If you use Etsy's off-site advertising feature, Etsy will take a cut of your advertising order. When your total revenue in the last year is less than $10,000, the advertising commission will be charged at 15% of the order revenue. Results section. Etsy sellers will see detailed results of the item whose parameters have been typed completely on the right part of the fee calculator. It allows them to see the order costs in the first place and a list of fees charged by Etsy. Finally, sellers can view the summary and the results, giving the total revenue, cost, and fees, plus estimated profit and margin. This part of the Etsy Fee Calculator is of vital significance to sellers to decide whether the item is worth selling. Now you have in-depth knowledge about Etsy fees. It is time to practice calculating Etsy fees, profits, and selling price. Let's say you are selling handmade soap sets. Your shop currency and listing currency will be USD. You are planning to sell one of your sets for $18 with a $10 shipping charge. You also tend to offer a discount of 5% in order to increase your conversion rate on Etsy. You have $19 of the total order cost. So, you can go further with EtsyHunt Etsy Fee Calculator to analyze your results. As you conclude from the summary part, you will get a $6.79 profit from this sale. Moreover, your profit margin will be 23.42%. If you are unsure about determining your own selling price policy, you can get inspired by similar products by using EtsyHunt Product Database.